guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. This one's just going to be a very quick one, so let's jump straight into it now. Okay, so this is regarding Renoy, who I copied on the 1st recently. So Prototype left a comment under my eToro video, my eToro post. Basically reminding me about the trade size, because basically I was comparing Prototype and Renoy, which would be better for me to copy for October. And Prototype reminded me of the trade size of each position as it weighs in differently in the final profitability equation, which I knew anyway. I just forgot to sort of compare that on the video. But prior to the video, I did sort it by sort of the highest investment percentage. For some reason I didn't record that in the video. But the one thing that did stand out to me was saying, keep in mind that eToro does not open copy positions that are smaller than $1. And at the time when I read his comment, I was like, oh, well, that's redundant. I mean, I just kind of, I blew it off, sort of thing. I don't know why. But what I was doing the other day, I was looking at Renoy on my copy. Only 11 had copied. 11 of his trades have copied once I put the $200 on him. But if we look at Renoy as portfolio, we go all the way down. I mean, that's a lot more than 11. And that got me thinking back to a video that a YouTuber called Social Trading Vlog, the guy called Tom who runs it, he actually made a video, I think it was last year, 2019, basically talking about the small trade sizes and how to actually do like something that you can quickly do on your calculator to work out how much you need to put on to a trader to copy all of the open trades. And at the time when I watched the video, it seemed quite long and long-winded. And I remember it being far more complicated, like the equation and everything around it, than it actually is. So I kind of it just went over my head and I forgot about it. I was like, I don't really need to know that. I'll be putting on loads of money eventually anyway. This is going to be a very long-term thing for me. I'll be doing this for a very long time. But yeah, with the Renoy, it got me thinking. So I went back and found Social Trading Vlog's video, watched it, and it turns out it's a lot more simpler than I thought. So let's have a look at Renoy, for example. So I've sorted it by invested, and I've put it the smallest first. So the smallest investments is at the top, and the largest investments are at the bottom. So I'll just scroll down here. So 4.36% is his largest current investment in FAZ, and his lowest is 0.4. And there's a whole lot of 0.4. I'd say apart from the 11 that I'm currently copying, all the rest are 0.4, which is a huge majority of Renoy, and the thing that got me interested in wanting to copy him in the first place. So the equation I'll do very quickly here. And all credit goes to Social Trading Vlog. I'm not sure if he got the idea from someone else, or if it mentioned it on eToro and he read that and took that information in. But regardless, all this goes credit to Social Trading Vlog for his video. I'm basically just regurgitating what he said, just in a short video, for my viewers to sort of help them out. So Renoy, for example. So the number's always 100. Start with 100 on the calculator. And then you just divide it by whatever the smallest trade size is. So in this example, Renoy 0.4. That'd be 100 divided by 0.4. Okay, that's it. It's that simple. 250 is the answer, which means $250 is the minimum I need to copy all of Renoy's open trades. So with that said, what I then did, because I was curious, at the moment it's 200 on Renoy. So I was thinking, well, when I next have $50 spare, maybe I could just stick 50 onto that 200 and then it would copy all of the trades. But what I decided to do was going to the virtual account. If you click on this real icon here, you can change it to a virtual account. And I basically just tried it out. So I put on the virtual account, I put $200 on Renoy. It only opened 11, just like it has done on my real account. And then I waited a bit, just like 10, 15 minutes or something. And then I added 50 on top to see whether it would open the vast majority of the other ones, or whether it would simply divide that $50 into the 11 open trades for him. And it was the latter, unfortunately. So no matter how much money you put on after the initial open of the copy trade, it will just divide that much into whatever, whatever trades are currently open. So what I need to do, when I have $50 spare that I can afford to put into eToro, what I will do is I'll totally close Renoy's $200 and then put $250 from fresh onto Renoy. Not going to be doing that in this video, just because I've literally put my eToro quarterly savings, if you like, onto it 9 days ago or 8 days ago. So I'm not going to be doing that just yet, unfortunately, even though I really want to. So I want to see if this minus 251 would maybe improve a bit with all these other trades that he's got open. But we'll get to that point, just not yet. I might actually do it in the next video I make I don't know, we'll see. I wanted to do it here just to see what happened. But hey everyone, Steve from the future here. I just want to add a point that Steve from the past forgot. I was having a look last night after the original recording at the differences between Renoy, the profit lost on my copy trade. So here he's at minus 1.64%. But if we look on his actual profile, it's actually at positive 1.2%. And keep in mind that I started copying him in October. So I should be at 1.2%, but at minus 1.64. So obviously if it keeps on going at this rate, it's not going to be great. I'd rather be in the profit. And the only difference why I'm so far behind in profit is because I only put 200 on and it didn't copy all of the open trades. I only copied 11 out of about 50 open trades. So I'll be adding that $50 a lot sooner rather than later. At this rate, it's just going to get worse, I imagine. So I want to add that on quickly. But don't make my mistake. And good luck with your trades. Always remember to use that the 100 divided by in my case with Renoy 0.4%. You find out who it is. So always keep that in mind for new traders. And then you don't have to worry about it again. It's just new traders and the first time you do it. But with that said, let's go back to past Steve. Woo! So just a reminder, be careful how much you put on. It's not always $200. That's not always the safe option. I have gone, just to clarify, I have gone through all three of my other open traders, and then pretty much fine. It has copied all of the open trades, or at least 98% of them. So the other three traders are fine. They're fine with $200, but Renoy, he's a hungry boy. He needs $250. But just word of advice: whichever traders you copy in the future, just do that little 100 divided by whatever the smallest trade is, which is usually less than 0.5. Anything generally above 0.5 is usually enough. So yeah, it'd usually be 0.49 or anything under 0.5. And that's how much you need to put on. Yeah, so that's an example. But yeah, just a quick one. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I don't know when that will be. I think we might have a surprise video coming up just before Christmas. But yeah, more about that nearer the time. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and take care. I'll see you in the next video.